emerge from the millions of people of this dear state to lead or to manage for a short time the affair of our dear local government areas. Count yourself very lucky and take this opportunity as a call for service. It is not a call that will make you see yourself as a superhuman, but an opportunity for you to protect the interests of your people and to also make us proud at this critical time that our decisions is not a mistake. So I thank and congratulate you. Let me also say this. What is happening here now is a defense of democracy. We will not allow a wrong precedent to be created in this country. It is not about River State, it's not about Fubara, but if in any way this attempt of tenure elongation succeeds in River State, it becomes a norm in Nigeria. So we have taken it upon ourselves to say, not within our own watch, that it will not happen, because it is completely alien to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So for those people who are saying the only reason why we want to continue to be in the office is because elections are now conducted, we have more than 85% of the states in Nigeria that are being run by caretaker. Ours is different. You have your tenure. You have completed your tenure. It is proper. You let go. And life doesn't create vacuum. If you're not there again, doesn't mean, if your tenure has expired, doesn't mean I should say because I want to please you, I will allow you. No, it doesn't happen anywhere. People must take over, manage the affair, and elections be conducted. Let me also sound it very clear here that your tenures are not going to be too long, because as a matter of fact, by the end of today or tomorrow, there should be a process for the commencement of elective local government chairmen in our dear states. Let me also advise that as you resume your respective local governments, please, I do not want any confrontation. It is not in my nature. It is not my style. Whatever happened yesterday, I know, and the world knows that it is not from you people. Some persons caused it. So let us not give them the opportunity to continue to make our states look bad in the Committee of States. So when you go back, if there is any situation, I want you to be law-abiding. I don't want any confrontation. You can operate from anywhere until when, but the most important thing, you have the control of the LGA today. I want to also appeal, whatever is the benefits, salary, whatever, of the outgone chairman, the vice chairman, the councillors, ensure that it has been sorted out. I am not of the class to say that because something happened that you should maltreat them. No. Whatever is their entitlement, ensure that they get it. And also make sure that you maintain peace is important in your LGAs. I feel very, very sad that all time, for one reason or the other, you only hear about River State, one bad news. If not that we managed to, organize our 1-year anniversary, I wonder what would have been happening in this state. Is it always crisis here, crisis there? But please, I want to appeal to you that when you go back, I don't want crisis. Just manage the situation as much as we can. God doesn't start and end halfway. That is the truth. Since God has started with us, He will definitely complete His work in our lives. I also want to say that for the local government activity in the past 3 years, I will want to mandate, which is his official assignment, not even a statutory duty, that the Auditor General should immediately commence the audit of the 23 local governments in the past 3 years and come up with the result in the next 1 month. It's important so that we know what has happened and how our funds were being used in those 23 local governments. It's important so that those people that are also coming, it will be a check for them. Let me, on this note, thank every one of you. My take home today will still remain peace. Nobody should take the law into his or her hand. Are you hearing me? Yes. The most important thing is there is no vacuum. Government continues. You have the leadership. You go back and do what you need to do. But I don't want any form of confrontation. Please, whatever it is will be sorted out, but I don't want any fight. I don't want any fight. I don't want any life to be lost because it does not earn me anything. We know that we can overcome, and we have been overcoming. So at this point, let me thank every one of you again. Wish you a successful tenure as the first caretaker chairman of our own administration. Thank you.